is to have a simple, healthy living.
Spark on Friday organised a facilitation program and Courseware lunch at St. Mary's Higher Secondary School, Shillong. Director Diesel and State Project Director SSA Semam Swapnil Tembe attended the program as the chief guest. While addressing the gathering, he said that they have to polish their skills in communication, conference and competence and to keep participating in competitions. Spark aims to deliver foundational skill sets to young adults of the state, serving as a launch pad for other skilling and well-being programs for adolescent youth.
A warm welcome to each one of you.
The power of I don't know. So whenever you don't know anything, you should accept that. Say that out loud. I don't know. When we say I don't know, that ends our denial. Otherwise, we are living in denial. We don't want to make effort. So when we accept that I don't know something, I'll make effort to know that thing. Right? I'll do something about it. So this is amazing. This may not be very easy to understand, but when you do it, you'll understand how effective this is.
And now for the weather report.